Today, let's explore the fascinating range of AI capabilities. When we think about human activities, it's essential to see where AI fits into the picture.
Exactly, Sarah. AI's abilities can vary greatly depending on the task at hand. For starters, let's talk about situations where AI has low capability compared to humans. These are often roles that are very human-centric.
These are jobs that heavily rely on human intuition and judgment. Imagine a plumber diagnosing an unusual problem or an electrician adapting to new wiring scenarios. These require quick thinking and decision making that AI struggles with.
And these roles often demand a manual dexterity and creativity that AI just can't replicate yet. Think of craftsmen who rely on their hands and senses to solve problems. AI hasn't quite caught up to this level of nuanced understanding.
On the flip side, AI shines in handling routine tasks. When tasks are predictable and repetitive, AI can execute them quickly and consistently without getting tired. It's like having a tireless assistant.
Yes, and in fields like medical data analysis, AI can process vast amounts of data swiftly, identifying patterns much faster than we could manually. Similarly, in civil engineering, AI can simulate numerous scenarios to save time and effort.
Now let's switch gears to creative fields where AI's capabilities remain limited. Creative fields require abstract thinking and innovative design, areas heavily dependent on human creativity and the ability to think outside the box.
Precisely. Creating art, writing stories, or developing new concepts involves a level of empathy, ethics, and deep insight that AI can't match. While AI can assist, it can't replace the creative process unique to humans.
So, what does all this mean for us as learners? Understanding where AI excels and where human input is still vital is key. By doing so, we can leverage AI technology effectively without sidelining our essential skills.
This perspective helps us see AI as a tool for enhancement rather than a threat to jobs. It's about finding a balance that allows us to integrate AI in ways that complement human roles across industries.
Absolutely. And by recognizing both AIs and our own strengths, we can develop a balanced skill set. Skills like creative problem solving and emotional intelligence will keep us relevant in an AI enhanced workforce.
In summary, understanding the balance between human activities and AI capabilities is crucial. It optimizes workflows and boosts productivity. With this knowledge, we prepare ourselves for future developments in AI, ready for innovation and adaptability in our careers.
So, next, let's dive into how these ideas are being applied in real world scenarios across different industries. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI integration in our everyday activities. Have you ever wondered how AI fits into different parts of our lives, like healthcare or entertainment?
Exactly, Sarah. Understanding AI's role in these areas can really open our eyes to its potential. We'll explore how AI works on different levels, with relatable examples from the medical field and the entertainment industry, like Netflix.
Let's start with level one, basic AI assistance. In the medical field, AI helps by making initial suggestions for diagnostic procedures. Imagine it like having an extra set of hands recommending blood tests based on a patient's symptoms or history. This can save time for healthcare providers by pointing them in the right direction.
And then there's Netflix. At this basic level, AI recommends shows or movies based on what you've watched before or your favorite genres. It's all about making your viewing experience more enjoyable with these straightforward algorithms.
Moving on to level two, enhanced AI analysis. In healthcare, AI plays a more sophisticated role by analyzing patient data to offer preliminary diagnoses. It's like having a data driven assistant that helps doctors make informed decisions.
Yes, and in the Netflix world, AI goes a step further by analyzing your viewing history and ratings to refine its recommendations. This means it suggests content that really aligns with your tastes as they evolve.
Now, level three, collaborative decision making with AI. This is where things get even more interesting. In the medical field, doctors use AI generated analyses but ultimately rely on their expertise to make final treatment decisions. It's a perfect blend of data insights and professional judgment.
On Netflix, human oversight ensures that AI recommendations aren't just data-driven, but also reflect nuanced user preferences. This collaboration helps provide content that aligns with broader audience tastes.
AI isn't just limited to theory, it's transforming industries in real world ways. In medicine, AI aids in early disease detection, improving treatment plans, and reducing routine task loads for healthcare providers.
And in entertainment, AI enhances user engagement by understanding and predicting complex behaviors, ensuring that the content delivered resonates with viewers.
So, what are the key takeaways? AI boosts efficiency and personalization across industries, making processes faster and more tailored to individual needs. But despite its capabilities, human expertise is still crucial, especially for nuanced and empathetic decisions.
Recognizing AI's involvement at different levels helps us effectively integrate technology into our workflows, maximizing benefits while ensuring essential human oversight remains. Next, we'll explore how AI's benefits can be utilized in another sector.
Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence, or AI, is reshaping industries by taking over routine and predictable tasks. Let's start with how AI enhances efficiency.
Sure, Sarah. Imagine you're a civil engineer. Traditionally, you'd spend a lot of time on routine structural analysis and data entry. With AI, these repetitive tasks can be automated, freeing you to tackle more complex and interesting challenges.
That's a good point, Rana. Similarly, in project management, AI tools help with scheduling and resource allocation, allowing project managers to focus on strategic planning rather than getting bogged down in administrative work. Sounds like a time saver, right?
Absolutely. AI is also making waves in banking. For instance, when it comes to loan processing and fraud detection, AI analyzes large volumes of data quickly and accurately. This speeds up approval processes and enhances security measures.
And let's not forget AI-driven chatbots. They handle basic customer inquiries efficiently, ensuring that human staff can dedicate their time to more complicated questions. This not only improves customer service, but also optimizes human resources.
With these tasks being automated, it might seem like jobs are disappearing. But actually, new roles are emerging. For example, there's a growing demand for people to label and classify data, which is crucial for training AI systems.
Exactly, and don't overlook the importance of developing and refining AI models. Professionals who can ensure these models work effectively are in high demand, creating new job opportunities in the tech industry.
So, what does this mean for human roles? Well, the need for creativity and strategic thinking is more important than ever. We need people who can craft innovative solutions and design concepts from abstract ideas, something AI cannot replicate.
You're spot on, Rana. As AI continues to transform industries, understanding its role is critical for individuals and businesses. By grasping these changes, people can better prepare for how AI integrates into their fields.
Preparing for an AI-driven future means emphasizing skills in creativity and strategy. This way, individuals and organizations remain competitive and viable. It's all about balance, using AI to enhance processes while leveraging human ingenuity.
In summary, AI is automating mundane tasks, paving the way for new opportunities, and spotlighting the significance of human creativity and strategic thinking. This shift calls for a balanced approach where AI and human innovation work hand in hand. Let's transition to our next topic, which delves into how AI is influencing the job market. When we talk about artificial intelligence, or AI, we're discussing something that's quietly changing our everyday lives. It's reshaping how we live and work, enhancing efficiency and sparking innovation.
That's right, Sarah. Let's think about AI as a smart helper. It integrates seamlessly into our daily routines and has the power to unlock new creative opportunities and even stimulate regional growth.
For instance, AI can automate repetitive tasks. Imagine having a personal assistant that never gets tired of sorting your emails or scheduling your social media posts.
Exactly. By taking care of these mundane chores, AI allows us to redirect our energy towards more creative and fulfilling projects.
Plus, AI solutions can be tailored to meet unique regional needs, transforming local industries. It's like customizing a recipe with local ingredients to create something truly special.
And with these changes, new job roles are emerging. People now work alongside AI in innovative ways, leading to career paths we hadn't imagined before.
AI also boosts efficiency by saving time and reducing errors in routine tasks, such as data entry or customer service.
And think about sentiment analysis. It's like reading between the lines to understand customer feelings, helping businesses improve their services.
Advanced natural language processing, or NLP, even breaks down language barriers, making communication smoother no matter the language.
These region-specific innovations are driving economic growth, transforming how local communities thrive.
New roles like data labelers who prepare data for AI training are emerging. It's a whole new world of career opportunities.
And AI isn't just about numbers and data. It partners with humans to enhance creativity in fields like design and marketing by providing fresh insights and strategies.
So, what's the big picture here? AI is a tool that improves efficiency and fuels innovative thinking.
It's not about replacing us, it's about collaborating with us to drive creative endeavors.
As the job market evolves with AI, preparing for these changes becomes crucial. It's an exciting chance to build a future that's rich in innovation and creativity.
By exploring these elements, we can truly appreciate AI's significant impact on daily tasks, career opportunities, and creative processes.
Ultimately, this understanding enables us to harness AI's full potential, paving the way for a future led by innovation.
Let's take a moment to reflect on these ideas before we move on to our next topic.